Hello everyone. In our last video we used Excel to help us calculate the averages. Now we're going to use this data and generate a graph, but on my graph all I want are my masses and my averages. So I need to get this column across from E to after my mass. So what I'm going to do first of all is just select the entire column by clicking that E up the top, and we're going to hit cut. Then I'm going to go across to column B, again select that, and I'm not going to hit paste. What I'm going to do is go insert cut cells, and that's going to just slot it in right before my test 1, 2, 3. So I'm happy with that. So I've got my mass and my averages next to each other. So now I'm just going to select all of these. So I've got all that. So we're going to insert a graph now. So up to insert, across the chart. Now the chart I want, we're going to go down to scatter. So I'm not looking at line, I'm actually going to go down to scatter. And we're going to go that first option. So the reason I don't go scatter is I don't want my line or my points joined up by a line. I want to do a separate line. So just going to that first one, comes up with this. It's got a lot of things we want, a lot of things we don't want. So let's go through and see what we can get rid of. So we're going to go up to elements, up the top here. My axes we're good for now. My axes titles, right now we don't have any, so I do need to include both of them. So just taking our time to go through and check them. So I've got my horizontal one, got my vertical one, we'll add them in later. So now my chart title, it's got a chart title right now, I actually don't like that, so let's just get rid of that. My data labels, don't need to worry about that. My legend, so that little legend down there, again, I'm going to get rid of that just because I've only got one set of data. I don't really need a legend here. Okay, so we've got that. So let's put in our titles. So my axis titles. So I'm just going to double click on that, and we're going to try our best to, there we go, change that. So we're going to change that to mass in grams. Click away, and then up the top. So same for axis titles. Nope, that's not what I want. Axis titles. Let's get rid of that, and that's going to be my friction in newtons. And we're good. So I've got my points, I've got my axis titles. Last thing I'm going to do is add in a trend line. So once again, selecting my graph, up to elements, down the bottom to trend line, and we're going to put in a linear trend line. So that just means a straight line. So a linear trend line gives me the trend line. Now the point of that trend line is it just gives me an idea of what the data is doing, what it kind of looks like. I can see it forms a beautiful straight line and it's increasing. So there's my graph. We've got all the things we need. What you can do now is copy and paste that into your document or screenshot it and then crop it and chuck it in.